We have moved on to the back wall. By we, I mean me and my laziness. Managed to accomplish this yesterday. So, it's not finished by any means. Need more pallets at this point. Out of wood. Or at least I'm out of decent. These ones are not the best. Especially those two. But these ones are more apt for the bottom than for top uses. They need to be a little more solid. It's alright, but I will be putting in a second raised bed outside of everything to finish off the rest of that area after I've filled in the rest of all this dirt into here. So then I'll have a bed to fill up with this fall's crap. Well, you know, gold stuff that falls off the trees. It makes really good dirt. Anyway, yeah, so that's the back wall. So I need, let's see, where am I at here? I need to go from right here straight across and to about where those, to the left of, probably where that guy is, right there in the middle. Gonna need to connect this to that, and then from here I have to get the pole set up and straight, attach something to that from here, because that will then also carry one beam from there to where that beam is going to go, right next to where the wood stops there. So that will be the main roof support, and all these pallets I'm supposed to get will give me the 2x4s and the rest of the things I need to make the individual rafter rafters. Okay, that is my update for today. It rained all night. Not sure how much work I'll get done today. Might try and clean the garage up a little instead. We'll see. Life's good. I want to thank you all for watching my videos and blah 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 blah. So keep doing it, and if you are, I haven't exactly been getting a lot of viewers. Maybe I'm not that interesting. Nah, that can't be it. Anyway, bye.